Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Jay Reed. Welcome to the channel where we are looking good, feeling good, and smelling good. What more can you ask for? So, yesterday was tiring as that was my first time going to the gym right after work, right? So, I didn't get a chance to post the reflection and affirmation, but here goes. I'll be honest, the excitement from day one, it does kind of start to fade around now because this is where the real progress happens. I was thinking, and my mind kind of started wondering, like, is this really working? Can I really keep this up? Especially because I did walk the playground at school, like I do at work. Of course, as weather permits, we are still officially in our hurricane season until the end of November, and it's gotten a little chilly. So at the gym, though, I did a little bit more, but less than I normally would. But here's why. So I walked the playground at work, right? And I got probably about 5,000 steps when I left work, 4 or 5,000. And then at the gym, I did 60 minutes on the treadmill at 1.2. So with the treadmill, my first day I started out at 1 mile per hour. Then second day I went to 1.1 mile per hour. Yesterday I did 1.2 miles per hour. So of course today I'll probably do 1.3 miles per hour, right? Just trying to do small little increase. So that's why I say I did more, but I feel like I kind of did less in the numbers. But you be the judge. You let me know. So I did 60 minutes at 1.2 on the treadmill yesterday. I did 25 arm lifts, which I did the arm lifts for the first time on day 2, and I did 20. So I did more arm lifts, and then I only was able to do like 30 minutes sitting down on the bicycle cuz honestly I was just tired. And then I thought, well, Jay Ree, didn't your last BP reading get lower the last time that you went to the doctor, right? And then I thought, didn't you just do 5 more arm lifts than yesterday? Didn't you just take over 8,000 steps for the whole day? So yeah, you'll see that in one of my shorts video. I actually did about 8,600 steps for the total day. So I did good. In my opinion. I know for some people you're probably way past 10,000, but you know what? I'm getting there. And we got to keep in mind this is still all with still healing from my work injury. But one day at a time, I'm not going to stress about it. But that was a proud moment. My other videos I mentioned, we got to celebrate those small wins. So I had to tell myself to stop, that you do got this. And I want to encourage y'all that even when the mirror doesn't show it yet, your consistency is changing you. And you got to hold on to that. I want us to all start each session reminding ourselves that every rep, every drop of sweat is a deposit into the future us. Progress isn't just what we see, it's how we feel showing up again and again. For a moment, I did think, wow, I'm really out of shape, right? Especially when I was doing those arm lifts. I was like, oh my gosh, I still need some strength in my upper, probably just everywhere, to be honest at this point. Um, but yeah, but still, those small moves are going to shape us. We just got to take it slow and steady, right? And I'm learning that it's not about how heavy the weights are, it is about being present because I'm still at the 10. 10 bell, 10-pound mark, whatever you call it. And we're gonna stay there for a minute. I can already tell you. Them arm lifts ain't no joke, but I really feel good afterwards. I really do. And proud of myself mentally, you know. But I am starting to track my workouts, not just documenting it through the vlogs, but just keeping like track of my workouts in a small notebook. And I want to encourage you to get a small fitness journal or a workout notebook so that we can all see the progress in our efforts. You know, nothing to compare, but just to see our progress and how far we've come. You know, because writing it down, what we did, it felt, and one thing that you are, it shows you how you felt, right? It kind of gives you an idea, um, like, was I tired? Was I energized? Was I proud? You know, like you can kind of journal those feelings, in the notebook. Also, it'll keep you grounded and show you how far you've come, right? And also I want us to start getting to a point where we start writing down at least one thing that we are proud of for that day, as well as what we're thankful for. You know, this is definitely the thankful season. Let's start tracking what we are thankful for and what we're proud of, that we accomplished and did for the day, especially with our workouts, but of course also in our everyday lives as well. So that's the reflection for day 3. No instant results, but feeling stronger mentally and physically. And if you are watching this and haven't seen any physical change yet, I want to encourage you to stay patient. The results are building even when you can't see them. Just hang in there. So I will see you later for day 4. We're going to keep it real over here, one workout at a time.